Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, for coming to our college. So how does it feel coming to SIID?
For me, it's been a very nice thing because I've not been here for quite a few years. In fact, I've not been in this building before, but I really enjoyed coming back, and it's been, for me, a very nice experience. I hope for the students too.
Yes, ma'am, definitely they had a wonderful time. So my next question would be, what do you think, are trust and ethical leadership are connected?
Without ethical leadership, you cannot build trust. Because trust, or to build trust, is a tough job. And if you are not ethical, how could you really trust another person?
If you want to build trust, the first step is to be trustworthy yourself. And then you can trust others. And as you trust others, you can build a network of trust.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So the next question is, how does having an ethical culture power up the organization?
If you have no ethical trust in the organization, it will not be sustainable. So it may be a big progress for a few years, but it will definitely not survive the first challenge. And then the company is gone. So you have to make sure that the values you live in your own life match with the values of the company, and that you are able to walk the talk.
Thank you so much, sir.
If you find it difficult in the company that you have selected to live your values, talk to your boss, get sorted out whether it's a matter of the philosophy of the company or whether it's something which you may not have fully understood. And if nothing helps, have the courage to go. Because if you deviate yourself and try to bend back over backward in order to meet what you think the company culture is, and it does not match your own ethical principles and your values, sooner or later you will break, because your body and your soul will not manage to cope.
Thank you, ma'am, for the insight. Lastly, any message for the students of SIID?
Yes, of course. Work hard, get as much out of the time of studies, to learn skills, to learn things you have never even thought about it, and challenge the academic staff that they have to prove what they are talking about.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.